exercise 15.1. Question number, which question? Which question? Question number 15, 14. 14 is clear or not?
Yes,
14 is clear.
15.
sir, 14 was given in the homework now.
Yeah, 15 question. Question number 15. Can you do?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 16. This is very easy. Question number 17. A lot
Sir,
of
it is
20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn at random from the box. What is the probability that the bulb is defective? Total number of bulbs. Number of bulbs. 20. Number of defective bulbs.
4.
Yes. Probability of a defective bulb.
4
Of
by 20.
a defective bulb. 4 by 20. That is 1
This is
by 5.
1 by.
Yes. You can write such as 1 by 5 and you can write also as 0.2. Both are correct. Clear Diwali? Concept is clear?
Yes.
1 by 5 is the answer. When you find out the probability, please check that your numerator will be less than denominator or equal to denominator. But your numerator can never greater than denominator. Numerator क्या है, कभी भी क्या है, denominator से greater than नहीं हो सकता. अगर क्या है, if the numerator is greater than denominator, your probability will be greater than 1. That is impossible. And probability can never be negative. Can never be negative. Yes. Now in second part, without replacement distance. Without
Yes,
replacement.
sir.
Yes. So the bulb drawn in first is not defective and is not replaced. Not replaced. Spread in first part. In first part, we have drawn a defective bulb, but we did not replace it. हमने क्या है, इसको replace नहीं किया.
So we will subtract 4 from the total 20, which will become 16. So 15 by 19.
Yes. If we have taken a defective bulb, one defective bulb, but we did not replace in the box. Now, total number of bulbs.
Sir, 20 minus 1.
Bus. Yes. Total number of outcomes. Total number of outcome. 20 minus 1, that is 90. रीजन लिखिए यहाँ पे, because one bulb is not replaced.
So then it will become 16 upon 19.
Because one bulb is not replaced. One bulb is not replaced. Okay. Any problem?
Yes, sir.
Check it out. Without replacement. Yes. Now number of defective bulbs. How many?
Sir, not one.
Number of defective bulbs.
Sir,
No. Number of non-defective bulbs. Number of non-defective bulbs. Total number of bulbs are 90, in which 4 are defective. Number of non-defective bulbs will be 19 minus 4, that is 15. Yes. Probability of a non-defective bulbs. Probability of a non-defective bulbs. A non-defective bulbs. Non-defective bulbs. Bulbs. That is 15 by 90.
9.
Yes.
So the bulb we have taken out was defective or
Non-defective. In second, what is the probability that bulb is not defective? Non-defective. 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 Yes. CSC. In second part, why we are subtracting 1 from total outcome? Your voice is not coming properly. Kritika Singh.
Yes, sir. So because in question, this is given that one bulb is drawn out in center.
Yes. Yes. Very good. But why we are subtracting 1 in second part? Arpit Mishra.
Sir, because one bulb is not replaced.
Yeah. Who is? In first part, we are drawing
Sir,
a.
because one bulb is taken out from the 20 and it is not replaced, and since it is a non-effective one, we
Yes.
are not subtracted from effective ones and from total ones.
Yes, you are right. In first part, we are. Yes. Who is? Priya Timari. Yes.
Sir, here it's written that one bulb is drawn at random from a lot in the first one. So it is directly plus 4 plus 1, and then we get 5, and we can directly minus 25 times.
4 plus 1, 5.
No, sir. Like if we will do by that, then the answer will definitely be this way.
Yes, Priya Timari, try to understand such as in first part we are drawing a bulb, and if one bulb will draw defective bulbs, but there are 4 defective bulbs. In out of 4 defective bulbs, we we can put out any defective bulbs. So we will consider 4. We will consider 4 there. So probability of a defective bulb will be 4. 4 by 50. But one bulb which we have drawn, we are not replaced. हमने उसको वापस रखा ही नहीं, तो वहाँ पे एक बल्ब जो है वो कम हो रहा है. तो 20 minus 1 that is 19. अगर 19 वहाँ पे टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम 19 हो रहे हैं तो डिफेक्टिव बल्ब कितने हैं? 4 हैं. तो 19 में से 4 minus 7 that is 15. 15 your non-defective bulbs. There are so many methods to solve these questions. Okay. You can use another method. I have no problems. Okay. Any doubt? Any problems?
No.
Okay. Now next question is question number 18.
No, sir, that will be.
A 2-digit number, a perfect square number, a number divided by 5. Have you done or not?
Yes, sir, we can do that.
Okay. Except Pragati.
But could you please explain this one?
Yes. Except Pragati Singh, please tell me any doubt, any problem in this question?
Sir, I'm asking
No,
you
no.
to explain this one.
Okay. Yes. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. 1 to 90. From 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears a 2-digit number. First of all, please tell me total number of outcome will be
90.
So 90.
number of
90.
outcome 90 minus 1 plus 1 89 plus 1 that is 90. Any doubt, any problems?
Yes. No.
Close.
A 2-digit number. 2-digit number from where?
81.
90. 2-digit number start from where?
10.
10. 10. From 10 to 90. From 10 to 90. And we are not including first 9 numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 number we are not including in 90 numbers. So 90 minus 9, that is 81. Yes. 2-digit numbers will be 2-digit numbers are 90 minus 9, that is 81. Yes, probability of a 2-digit number that is 81 by 90. 9 9 that is 9 by 10. Okay. Yes. Now your perfect square number. Perfect square numbers are Munni Kumari. Am I audible to you?
Yes.
Perfect square number.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Perfect square number from 1 to 90. Please tell me how many? And how many and which are?
Sir, it will be 9.
9 and which are?
So 9, 18, 25, 37, 49, 54 and 80.
Perfect square numbers from 1 to 90. R. That is, please tell me. 1, 4, 9,
16, 25,
25,
26,
26,
49,
49,
64,
64,
and 81.
81, 100, 100, 100. Why 100? 100 is not. Okay, fine. Yes. Our limitation is from 1 to 90. 1 to 90. So we'll take the perfect square number from 1 to 90. We will not include 100. Okay. How many? How many? That is 9 outcomes. That is 9 outcomes. So probability of a perfect square number. Perfect square number. Square number. 9 by 90.
90. That is 1 upon 10.
1 by 10. 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Yes. Now a
1 by
number divided by 5. Yes. 18. Which are 18s? Please tell me 18 numbers which are
5, 10, 15.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 55.
wait. Numbers
20, 25.
Mute yourself, everyone.
who is
Who is talking?
numbers number divisible by 5 are as, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45,
40,
50,
55,
55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. That is 18 outcomes. Outcomes. So probability of a number divided by 5. Probability of a number divided by 5. Probability of a number divisible by 5.
15 by 90.
That is 18 by 90.
18 by 9.
That is 1 by 5.
1 by 9.
1 by 5. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No.
Digvijay is present.
Digvijay Singh. Digvijay Singh. Yes. Question number 20. Have you done this question? May I raise it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, suppose you drop a die random on the rectangular region shown in figure. ये जो सर्कल आपको ऑब्जर्व हो रहा है ये डाई है, ठीक है. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region shown in figure 15.6. what is the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter 1 centimeter? ये रेक्टेंगुलर रीजन है, दिस इज योर रेक्टेंगुलर रीजन। इसके अंदर एक डाई क्या है, लैंड इनसाइड। ओके, यहाँ पे जो डायमेंशन है रेक्टेंगुलर रीजन का वो है 2 सेंटीमीटर एंड 3 सेंटीमीटर। रेडियस इज यस and your
want to say that the length are in meters, not in centimeters.
okay.
Sir, but everything like 3 meter, 2 meter, 1 meter, everything is given in meter only. So why we have to convert this in centimeter?
Meter. Now diameter is 1 meter. Diameter is 1 meter. So radius will be 1 by 2 meter. 0.5 meter. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region drawn in the figure. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter 1 meter? हमने क्या करना है, इस प्रोबेबिलिटी, ये जो डाई है इस रेक्टेंगुलर रीजन में लैंड इनसाइड है, इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड आउट करनी है। तो कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? एनी आइडिया, एनी व्यूज?
Sir, we will find
यस
sir, we will find the area of rectangle and then the circle. Total area will be the area of rectangle and the desired area will be the area of circle.
यस
Yes, sir.
okay. Now area of rectangle will be, question number is 20. Area of rectangle that is length into breadth. Your length is 3 and breadth is 2, that is meter square. Area will be meter square, centimeter square, that is 6 meter square. Any doubt, any problems? Okay. Now area of circle. Area of a circle. What will be?
Pi r square.
Okay. Very good. Pi r square. And the value of pi?
22 into 0.5 into 0.5.
Okay, 1 by 2 or 1 by 2. Any doubt, any problems?
So, sir.
That is 11 by 14 meter square. Okay. Now probability of a die land inside the rectangular region. Probability that it will land inside the circle. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle? Suppose you drop a die random on the rectangular region. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle? Probability
Then
that
we will subtract the area, na?
no. Area
The
of
area of
circle by area of rectangular region. Probability
Yes, sir.
a die land inside the circle, that is your area of circle is 11 by 40 and your area of rectangle is 6 by 1. 11 by 14 reciprocally 1 by 6. That is your 11 by 84. ये आंसर. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Vinay Kumar Yadav, where are you? Your next question number 21. इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये क्वेश्चन क्या है? सीबीएसई में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है. इजी क्वेश्चन है. A lot consists of 144 balls, ball pen, of which 20 are defective and others are good. Out of 144, 20 balls are defectives, and number of non-defective balls will be. Please tell me.
124.
Yes. 144 minus 20, that is 124. Nuri will buy a pen if it is good. अगर good है तो नूरी buy करती है. Okay? Good कितने हैं? How many goods? 24.
124.
But will not buy if it is defective. मतलब अगर defective है तो उनको buy नहीं करती. मतलब 124 बल्ब है जो उनको buy नहीं करती. ठीक है? The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her. What is the probability that she will buy it? She will buy it. 24 by 1. She will buy it. 24 by 144. 20.
120.
Okay. 20 by 144. Am I right or wrong?
No, sir.
She
Sir,
will-
you are saying to be 124.
20 are okay. Defective bulb 20 bulb है defective. Good ones है 124. 124 are good ones. So probability of probability of she will buy it. She will buy it. That is 124 by 144. Okay. And she will not
Yes,
buy
sir.
defective bulbs. Defective bulbs are 20 by 144. Okay. Now question number 22. Okay. Question number 22. Question number 22. Refer to example 30.1. Complete the following table. Event sum on 2 dice probability. A student argued that there are 11 possible outcomes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 12. Therefore, each of them has probability 1 by 11. Do you agree with this argument? Justify your answer. Okay. We are drawing two dice. That is when two dice are thrown simultaneously. Then number of all possible outcome will be that is 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. Please try to make it. That is your 2 1 2 2, 2
2
3,
2 3
2
2
4,
4
2 5, 2 6. 3 1,
3 2 3
3
3
2,
3 4
3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. That is your 4 1, 4 1, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. And next one is your 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Next one is your 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, and 6 6. Now come to the questions. Question is that sum on 2 dice will be 2. 2 dice ऐसी है जिनका sum क्या है 2 है. बताइए मेरे को कौन सी है. How many cases? Total number of outcome will be that is 36. 36 outcome here.
So it will be 136.
Yes. Sum on 2 dice will be 2. 2 dice का sum क्या है 2 होना चाहिए. Which case?
Only one case.
Name the case. Sum on 2 dice. 2 dice का sum क्या है 2 होना चाहिए. इसे कैसे?
136.
1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 that is 2. 1 plus 1 that is 2. So that what is the probability? Probability will be 1 by 36. Probability that sum on 2 dice. Probability that sum on 2 dice. Sum on 2 dice is 2. How many outcome? Sum on 2 dice is 2.
136.
That is 1 by 36. Only one case, that is total number of 36. Your next will be sum on 2 dice will be 3. Probability of sum on 2 dice. 2 dice is 3.
Sir, two cases.
Which are? Which are? Please tell me. 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 1 3. Any more? Okay. Yes.
Please scroll it down.
Yes.
Yes.
Probability that sum on 2 dice. Sum on 2 dice that is 3. How many outcome? That is 2 by 36. That is 1 by 18. Probability that sum on 2 dice. 2 dice is how much? 4?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How many?
3. 3
2 by 36.
1 3
1 by 12.
3 and 1.
1 3, 2 2, and 3 1.
3 1.
1 3 2 2 3 1. 1 1 2 2 3 3 1. Srini, are you attending the class?
Yes, sir.
Now your concept is clear.
Yes, sir.
Have you sent this question to me?
Yes, sir.
Now concept is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Sum on 2 dice is 4. That is 3 by 36. That is 1 by
That
12.
is 1 by 12.
Yes.
And by
Yes. Sum on 2 dice will be 5. 5.
So that is 4 upon 36.
4 upon 36.
Yes.
That is 1 upon 9.
That is 1 plus 4 5, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 2 5, and 4 plus 1 5. Yes.
Sir, it is making a done pattern.
24
Yes.
Will you complete or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, Pragati.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please open the whiteboard
Wait a
first.
second.